Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show y'all these two items from KiaraSky. Sorry if the camera's a little wobbly, it's the tripod, it's bouncing up and down, but I did get the Beyond Pro Volume 2 LED lamp in lavender or lilac or purple, whatever. I don't know what they call it, but it's like a lavender color, like a purplish lilac. I don't know, it's so pretty. And I also got the drill. I've been wanting to get these two for a really long time. I boxed these because I did try out the lamp and then I did wanted to use the drill. Like, I don't have any nails on and that's gonna be my next set. I'm so bad. I've been ripping off my nails and oh, my nails look horrible right now, so don't pay attention to that. So the boxes are cute. This is what they look like. So pretty. I don't think I'm gonna throw this away because it's so pretty. And then oh, it does have like a little pull thing and you just and it comes out. And then this was where the lamp was, and then you just lift this up and it'll have everything in there. But I know I suck. I should have unboxed it. But here's what the little nail drill box looks like. It's the same thing. And you just lift and then it has everything in there. So here is where the battery pack goes. The battery. And it has for the power cord, so you can charge it, and then it has on off right here, and you turn it on, and I had it on 15 seconds, and I love it because this little detail right here lights up. So there's the 15, there's the battery indicator, so that tells you if it's full or not. Right now it has a full charge. There's the 15 and it automatically turns on and counts down. Then there's a 30-second, press it again and it'll start, and then here's a 60-second. So that way if you don't want to use it right away and you're gonna start polishing, you could just press 60, and then once you put your hand in, it'll start counting down. And then once you take your hand out, it does stop and then it'll restart again. 90 seconds low heat mode. So that's what you have there. And then they said this is easily in and out. So it does have these little grooves, and let me clean it a little bit because it's kind of dirty. Like I said, I did use it. And then it has like the indents for your fingers. And it shows you on the card how to use it. And this, you slip it in here. I don't know if I can get it like, okay, yeah, you slip it in like that and then press it down and it stays in. And I like that because when you move it around, it doesn't slip out or it doesn't fall off. My other one had magnets, and every time I would move it or pick it up, it would fall. The magnets weren't even that strong. So what I did was I super glued it down to the bottom because I didn't like the fact that it would come off. So I do like this. And then it says built-in handle for convenient mobility, which is this right here. Chemical and shatter resistant tool. Full view LED. Oh shoot. Full view LCD screen with display right here, and then the on and off is right there. Wider opening, so all 5 fingers cure at once. Look at it like closely, you could see like a shimmer, so it does have like a shimmer. Oh my god, it's coming off a little bit gray tone, but it's like a lavender color. So pretty. Is the drill. So it came with this little stand right here. Let me zoom in. This little stand which goes like that, so you can just set it on the desk. And then it came with this little handpiece holder in case you don't want to put this little side thing. Let me see if I can scoot down so I can see better. Zoom out. Okay. Okay, that's better because I was standing up and I wanted to sit down because I'm lazy. Okay, and then I turned on my lights. Maybe that'll look better. Okay, and it did come with, I think this is it. I don't remember if it was black or this white one. I unboxed a whole bunch of other things I got off of Amazon, so I'm kind of a mess. But it did come with an to charge it. Oh, the LED lamp came with this black cord. I want to say this is it. Let me see. Oh, and this one came with this white one. But you're not supposed to like switch cords or whatever. Let me move more this way. And I did, and I used my lamp charger, and it fits perfectly fine. And it says like it'll show charging. And I like that it lights up. So does this one over here. This one's fully charged because I left it charging. But the LED lamp does the same thing. I turned it off, as you can see here, and then you connect it and it'll charge off, or you can turn it on and the little battery indicator blinks. But you could also charge it while it's off, on off mode, and it still charges. So this is what the drill looks like. It did come with an adapter, the AC adapter. And then it came with this right here. This comes off and on. I don't remember how to take it off. Oh, there you go. You slide it up and it comes off. And this is what holds the handpiece in case you don't want to keep it on the desk. And then you just slip it back on and it clicks, and then you could put your handpiece there and then just rest it on there. And I think I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna move this out of the way and keep it in my drawer for later if I want to like switch it up or whatever. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the color. And then you turn it on over here and it automatically turns on 0. And then your forward and right. Forward is for if you're right-handed. Forward is for right-handed. Reverse reverse is for left-handed people. So if you're left-handed, you would use the reverse mode. And then it has your it says F, I guess because it's on forward. And then it has your RPMs. That'll mean how fast you're going here. It also included, this is the I think it's called a mandrel, and this holds your sanding bands. And then it came with a fine drill bit, which is this one right here. Let me zoom in a little. Okay, there you go. So this one is for your sanding bands. You can put whichever sanding bands you want. And I love the detail that it has a cute little diamond on both of these. And this one is a fine one, and it also has a little diamond at the tip. The handpiece, it has, you could turn it and it unlocks, and you can take this out and replace it. And then you just put it in, and then you turn it back this way to where it's locked, and now it's secured in there. And I like that. So let me tell you about this one. This one is a 35K RPM, which is the, how fast this is. And this has, I'm gonna tell you what the box has on here. The specifications. 100 to 240 volts, and then it has a 2000 mAh whatever that battery capacity, and then the battery life is 10 hours on 10 hours at full speed. Charging time is about 2 hours, so it'll charge within 2 hours of full charge. And like I said, you get the e-file, the handpiece, the e-file handpiece, the drill with the motor, a table stand, which is this right here, the sand bit, which is this, and then the fine bit, the owner's manual, and a warranty card. I'm gonna turn it up so you could see how it sounds, but I just want to take this out, that way it won't that's on 3, and you can hardly feel the vibration. Let me put this here. That's the highest it goes, the 35, and you can't even hear it. And it feels so smooth in your hand, like you can't feel it any jumping or anything. Now I painted, it has stickers, that way we can file this so we can see. And then I'm gonna put the fine bit in. Let's go 13. It came off effortlessly, and I wasn't even pressing down or like really had to go in there. No, it did it perfectly fine without me pressing in it. So I'm gonna give this a try to give you my true honest review, opinion, whatever. I did buy this with my money. We did purchase this with our own money. It wasn't sent to me. I wish I was on their PR, but I'm not. I did purchase this with my own money. But to give you my true opinion on this, I'm gonna try this for a couple of months, and then in another video I'll let y'all know how I liked it. I just wanted to unbox this and show it to y'all and just give y'all a little bit of the details on these products. But I do love these. I did want the unicorn one, but I don't know, I just love this color. It's so pretty. Well, I wanted the unicorn one, but I went with this color because it was just too pretty to pass up. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little review unboxing. But I'm gonna give these two products a little bit more time to try out, and then I'll let y'all know how I feel about them. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you're notified of my next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.